So very good morning, student. So today I am going to explaining the 5 marks very important question in wave optics. So they may going to ask in the examinations. So repeatedly it was asked in the previous year question paper. If you see, no, so there you can see that so many questions repeatedly this type of question it was asked. Okay, so ಇಂಥ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರಿಂಗ್ ಒನ್ Young's double slit experiment. Okay, so this is the one Young's double slit experiment. S1 and S2 are the slits are there. S1 and S2 are the two slits. We are going to see that. So here what happens now? So there is a coherent source. It is a it will be sending into this one. So when coherent source it will be a move. So then what happens now? So due to the two sources, same frequency and a little bit same amplitude, they are interfacing with each other, means superimposing with each other. So when it is superimposed, there is a redistribution of the energy. We are going to see that. So because of that, at the P point it is the observation point, at the O is also it is the observation point. It is the center of the slit. Okay, the slit width we are taking the D. The slit width what we are going to take, no, D, and it's a half of the slit width means D1 D. This one is a D2 by 2 and this one is a D2 by 2. So this we can take the water. This is E and this is the F. We can take it. Okay, so that is the E and F. 2 points we are considering. Okay, so 2 points ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. S1 and S2 ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ two coherent sources which emits the light of wavelength lambda. S1 and S2 are the two coherent sources which emits the light of wavelength lambda. D is the distance between the two slits. This is the distance between the two slits is called the D, and capital D is the distance between the double screen and observation point. This is the double screen. Okay, this is the double screen, double slit screen. We are going to see that this is the double slit screen. Okay, so D is the distance between the double slit screen and an observation screen. So O is the point on the screen equidistance from the two slits S1 and S2. O inide antandre, so this is the one point on the screen. Okay, observation point, we can see that it is equidistance from the two slits S1 and S2. P is the point on the screen at a distance x from the O. This is the P is the point. Okay, so this is the P is the point on the screen. So which is O from the P, it is the distance is what we are going to taking a x. Okay, x we are taking it, x ತಗೋತೇವೆ ನಾವು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ S1P ಮತ್ತು S2P ಆರ್ ದ ವೇವ್ಸ್ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಎಟ್ ದ P ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ P ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ನೋಯಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್, ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ S2P, okay, that we are going to call the path difference. Okay, so therefore the path difference equal to path difference, okay, equal to S2P minus S1P equal to, idu path difference antandre enu delta. Okay, so that is we are going to consider as a delta. So S2P minus S1P, it is the delta. That delta we can write down in terms of like this way, delta into x equal to n lambda. Okay, so equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ n lambda ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ ನಾವು. Okay, so n lambda we are considering it. Okay, simply we can take delta x ಹಾಕ delta ಅಂತ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಯಾಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ delta x ಇನ್ನು x ಅದು ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಬೇಡ. So S2P minus S1P, it is the delta equal to n lambda ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಇವಾಗ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಟೂ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು S1PE, this is the one triangle. S2PEF, it is another one triangle. So considering that two triangles, so this is the one hypotenuse. S1P is the hypotenuse, S2P is also hypotenuse. Okay, as we are knowing that Pythagoras theorem, so hypotenuse square equal to opposite square plus adjacent square. So that we are considering. So using that, so we are going to elaborating that equation. Okay, so directly we are going to writing this one. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಇದೊಂದು ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶಾಟ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿದು. This is the whatever the explanation is there regarding about this one. You take down the one screenshot. Okay, screenshot anna ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. So next, see, this is the hypotenuse from triangle S1P E we are taking. So this is S1P is the one hypotenuse square. Hypotenuse square equal to S1E square plus PE square we are taking it. PE square. S1P square equal to S1E square means S1 to E is D square plus, okay, PE, P to E means X minus D whole square. X minus D by 2 whole square, because this much we have to subtract. Up to P to O it is X, it is there. So this much we are going to. Next, S2P square equal to S2P square means S2F square plus ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ, so PF square. So this one S2P is again D square plus PF is X plus D by 2 whole square. This is S2P square. S2P. Okay, so this is equation 1, this is equation 2. So subtracting equation 2 from 1, subtracting okay, subtracting equation 2 from 1, subtracting equation 2 from 1. Okay, equation 1. So subtracting equation 2 from 1 means S2P square minus S1P square equal to plus ಬರಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus ಆಗಬೇಕು. Okay, so S2P, so this one plus XD minus D square minus X square minus D square by 4 plus XD. Okay, so this get cancelled, this sign, this get cancelled, this sign, this get cancelled. So X plus D plus X plus D 2XD we are taking it. Okay, so 2XD ಅನ್ನ ತಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Okay, so now next, so but S2P plus S1P, that is 2D we are considering. So this we are going to write down S2P square minus S1P square. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಇದು S2P plus S1P, this is S2P minus S1P. A square minus B square ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, A plus B, A minus B ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇದು 2XD ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ S2P minus S1P equal to 2XD divided by S2P plus S1P. Okay, S2P plus S1P. So as we are knowing that, so this is very close to this P, when it is very close to O, so then the distance, whatever the distance we are going to see, no, so that is S2P, but S2P plus S1P is D plus D is 2D. Okay, so therefore S2P minus S1P equal to 2XD divided by 2D. This get cancelled. This is XD divided by D. XD divided by D ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so divided by D. But as we are knowing that already, we know that, so S2P minus S1P is n into lambda, that is path difference we are considering, that is n into lambda. So therefore n lambda equal to XD small d by capital D. Okay, so XD by capital D, or we can write down the X equal to the distance of this one O to P, the distance is X. X equal to n lambda D divided by small d. Okay, so where n equal to n ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, so n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 dash dash dash. Okay, so for nth bright fringe we are taking, for nth bright fringe we are considering the what? Nth bright fringe, that is xn equal to n lambda d divided by small d. So where n equal to, okay, so n equal to 0 comma plus or minus 1 comma plus or minus 2 comma like that. Okay, so that way we are going to considering. So next, for dark nth fringe we are consider. Okay, so for nth dark fringe we are considering means n minus 1 we are consider. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ, n minus 1 ಅನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಫಾರ್ n minus 1 fringe, n minus 1 fringe means xn minus 1. Okay, xn minus 1. Here we will substitute the value xn minus 1 into lambda d divided by small d. So that is n lambda d divided by small d minus lambda d divided by small d. Okay, so as we are by the definition of fringe width, so it is the distance between the two successive. So by the definition of fringe width, okay, fringe width, the definition, what is that? So the difference between the two xn minus xn minus 1. Xn value n lambda d divided by small d minus, okay, this is n lambda d divided by small d. This is lambda d divided by small d. Small d plus or minus n lambda d divided by small d minus plus lambda d divided by small d. This and this get cancelled, therefore beta equal to lambda d divided by small d. So this is the what expression for the fringe width. Okay, so this is the what expression for the fringe width. Okay, so as we are knowing that the bright and dark fringes are equal width and equal distance between the two consecutive bright or dark fringes. You can use for the dark also. Here I use the word bright fringe only, so you can use the word dark fringe also. You can use it and you can calculate it. Okay, so I hope you people understood. Thank you.